What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DEVINTAGE, man, back here with another video, and today, you read the title, you already know what we talking about today, man. Is Yeezy season again. I dropped a video last week talking about all these Yeezys that's releasing, and now it's getting closer and closer for these Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshayas that will be dropping this upcoming Saturday. And I'm gonna tell you guys a couple of stores you can get them from. I'm gonna tell you guys if you take an L where you can get them from, all that stuff. You guys already know how these videos go, but if you're new to the channel right now, what I need you to do is subscribe right now, especially if you want to get more details on how to cop sneakers, more details on upcoming sneakers and all that. Make sure you subscribe right now and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. And make sure you go follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE. It will be linked down below as well. And before we go any further with this video, please, right now, what I need you guys to do, it really helps the channel. It is free. Hit the like button right now. And with all that being said, we're gonna jump right into this video talking about these Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshayas, man. Let's get it. All right, guys, so these Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshayas right now on StockX are going for around $300 in the size 9. You know, usually between that 7 through 9.5 is usually the most expensive prices when you're trying to resell these sneakers or buy them off resale. And that is a couple of days before the release, man. So I can just see that price, you know, stand around that 250 to 280 price range. It definitely will not go over 300 for a long time, man, especially when we seeing all these different Yeezy 350 V2s that are scheduled to release this year 2020, man. So it's gonna be like an ongoing thing. It's gonna be on to the next Yeezy, man. But this one is first in the shoot, so I think it's gonna be going for 250 to 280 on the resale market. All right, guys, so now we're gonna go into a couple of spots you can get these from right now. If you do not have the app, make sure you download Foot Locker app right now and go ahead and hit the launch locator and select the Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshayas. I think that's the only shoe right now currently on the launch locator. You guys go check it out right now, especially if you want to get these. Select the size shoe that you wear in your Yeezys. I typically go true to size with my Yeezys. Then it'll ask you to put your zip code in so it can select a couple of the close malls around you that will be getting the shoe. It's not guaranteed that the shoe will be released around you, but you still have to put your zip code in. If you want to drive a little bit further, if you know a couple cities or a couple towns over there getting them, if you want to take that little extra drive, put that zip code in and select the malls that will be getting them. Then when that's all said and done, all you have to do is go to check-in codes on Twitter and make sure you have those notification bells on for them as well. That's what I have to do, because as soon as they drop those check-in codes, you got to hurry up and change the zip code, go and put in for an extra 1 minute head start, so you don't even have to leave the house. And you got to remember to change the zip code back to wherever you want to get those shoes. So I do this pretty much every release with Jordans, Yeezys, whatever drops on Foot Locker or Champs. I always just go to check-in codes on Twitter and I get that 1 extra minute head start so I can have a 10-minute head start overall. That tip is very beneficial for a lot of you guys, because I know a lot of people always ask, how do you get an extra minute head start? How do you earn head starts? And I pretty much say this in every video. The easiest way to get an extra 1 minute head start is following check-in codes on Twitter. Also, Champs Sports will be getting these as well. I recently just got upgraded to a 9 minute head start. I think after I bought the Bread 11s, it had bumped me up, because before I bought them, it was like a 0 minute head start. And I just checked today when I went to go put in for the raffle for these Yeezys, and it said I had a 9 minute head start. So now all I have to do is wait for check-in codes on Twitter to tweet out that zip code and the check-in code, and I will have a 10-minute head start on Champ Sports as well, man. So you can go check out my countdowns right here, and you can see right here I have a 9 minute head start. All I have to do is go to check-in codes on Twitter, hit earn head starts, and then go to check-in at store, and then it will ask you to put in the code wherever check-in code sends you. But before you do that, you have to put the zip code in for that mall. And I went ahead and finally tried to use Finish Line, but when I did, I guess it's too late, and it said that all the reservations were confirmed. So I guess you got to be a little bit faster with trying to get these Yeezys and shoes from Finish Line, because they don't do a countdown or anything. I think they just randomly choose the winners regardless of how much money you spent with Finish Line. So the next sneaker release, I'm gonna try to be a little bit faster for you guys to show you how to go through the steps with Finish Line, because I have never bought shoes from Finish Line. And I always like to put this in the video. Of course, if you take an L, you already know you got your trusted StockX, you got GOAT, you got Stadium Goods, you got all those different, sneaker apps that you can go and purchase your shoes from. Like I said, I have never had a bad encounter with StockX or GOAT. As you guys do know, I went crazy with GOAT when I was in Germany, because they shipped to, my address in Germany without paying that extra crazy price that they charge, everybody else that lives overseas, because I was military affiliated, and all my Yeezys were legit, man. So if you take an L and you really want this shoe, I always head over to StockX or GOAT. And sometimes with some of these Yeezy releases, especially like the creams they've released so many times, you can even catch you a pair, depending on what your size is, under retail. All right, guys, so Adidas YEEZY 350 V2 Yeshayas, man, will be releasing this upcoming Saturday, January the 25th, and the retail price is $220. You guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you will be going after these Yeezy 350 V2 Yeshayas. You already know your boy will have a pair to review for you guys. I'm still on the fence if I want to cop because they kind of look like the lump marks, and then you can kind of see some hints of the cloud whites as well, man. So I know people are tired of hearing like these Yeezy look like this Yeezy and vice versa. So I'm gonna just see how they look in hand, and I'm gonna make my opinion on if I want to keep them joints or not. But like I said, you guys let me know right now in the comment section below if you will be going after the Yeshayas. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tuning into this video. If you have not hit the like button yet, make sure you hit the like button, man. It is free and it really helps the channel grow a lot. Also, comment down below. Let me know how you feel about some of these upcoming Yeezy releases. Follow me over on IG at DEVINTAGE World. Of course, it will be linked down below. And if you want to buy some cheap shoes, I always leave a link down below as well. My website to buy some of my shoes that I'm selling out of my collection, devintageworld.bigcartel.com. I appreciate all of the support. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.